Hello, this is Jeremy with Switzer & Son Select Auto and RV Sales here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. 918-299-3361 is our telephone number. Our web address is switzerandson.com. This is a 2021 Forest River east to west Alta. This unit is hard loaded. An exceptional arrangement, powered jacks, wired for rear camera, ladder up the rear, large awning with 2 entry doors. One of them is the private entry door into the bathroom. TV, refrigerator, sink, cooktop, brand new. Everything's still wrapped in plastic. It's a used unit, but it's obvious. Very little use. It's 8,300 pounds dry. So most half-ton vehicles are capable of towing it. Also, this has the extended climate guard on it. So it's going to be a 4-season trailer. Front private queen bed. Large storage on both sides of the bed. Tri-fold sofa. And a dinette that makes a bed also. This has the retractable shades throughout it, which is a nice add-on. Ducted air, ducted heat. Already has a Furrion sound system with a Furrion TV and sound bar in it. Large residential refrigerator in it. This has a 3-burner stove with oven. Nice microwave. Residential faucet. In the rear has a fold-up bunk. And then below it has a tri-fold sofa that actually has a recliner built into it. Second rooftop air in the rear. Another bunk. Extra storage. And then the bathroom. You have your larger bathroom set up. Again with the exterior exit and entrance. Glass shower enclosure. For a bunkhouse, this is a large bunkhouse bathroom. This unit is absolutely like new in every way. www.switzerandson.com. 918-299-3361. We're located here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Thank you for your time.